all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be doing our U96 build. So we are going to do issue 27 of Build the U96. Doesn't seem 2 minutes since I started this build, to be honest with you. Can't understand why we've got to issue 27 already, but yeah, we have. We're working on some more detail today, so lots of glue in, lots of bits being put in, and lots more detail being added to this submarine. So yeah, it's going to be another one of them fiddly days again, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's get over to the bench. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so issue 27 is details for the second compartment. Fantastic. Now, we've got lots of detail to put on this, but we need to bring this across, which we were working on how long ago? A couple of issues ago, because we've got some more detail that's basically going to go on to it. So the first thing we've got is this little microphone here. Now that's going to go into just down into there, but I think I'm going to need some tweezers for this one, and I'm just going to dip the end in the glue and then just try and get that detail in there. It did go in there, but my tweezers flipped it out again. Okay, that's in there. The second thing we need to do is just on this panel here, we've got a tiny little sort of valve to put in. So that's going to go down, just down into there. This isn't going to be easy. Now for this, again, I might just dip in the end in the glue. Try and get this in. Am I sure it's that one? Yes, it's definitely that one. Problem is, there's no hole for it to go into. So it's a case of holding it on until the glue takes. It's a quirky little way of doing it. Okay, so that is in place. If you can just see that. Okay, so just putting that to one side. The next pieces we need are this bit, and this bit. So first of all, got this bit here. This is going to sit in to that little hole just in there, but I need to glue this in. So again, I'm just going to dip the end in the glue and put that on, just like that. Okay, with that done, and it turned around this way, this is literally just going to sit on the top of that peg. I'm going to put some glue on the peg. Now, would you believe this is actually a toilet? Crazy. We've actually created a toilet. Yeah. Okay, so if we bring our compartment across and we bring our toilet across, this is going to slot into the two holes just down there. So I'm just going to put something under this, because again, I just want to put the glue on the pegs. So bit on there, bit on there. And then try and fit this in best I can do. Oh goodness. It might be a little bit hard to see. Okay, I think that's gone in. There's a little pipe at the back that needs to fit in, but I'm happy with that. So that is in place. Next, we've got this green detail here. Now we need to move our room over because we need this that we got in this issue. It needs to be around that way for me. So, first of all, we've got this tiny little detail here. Now that is going to sit in the hole just in there. So I'm definitely going to put some glue in the hole. Then using tweezers, I'm going to put this in. See what I mean when I said really fiddly work today. Okay, so that is in place. Then we can fit this onto our bulkhead. And it's literally just going to fit into a hole just down there. And I'm just going to lift this up. Because if I don't, what happens is I'll get glue on my cutting mat. Or worst, I'll stick the part to the cutting mat. Okay, so this, I think tweezers are definitely your best friend in some of these builds. So there we go. Perfect. Okay, so with that in place, next I believe we are making a sink. So we need this white piece. This can be moved over now. And we need this piece here. And then this tiny piece here. Okay. So this piece is going to be fitting on underneath. So this is just going to go on underneath like that. Again, this has to be glued. So I'm just going to dip the end in some glue and attach like so. Okay. Next, we need to install that really tiny tap. So I'm going to pick that up with my tweezers. Just try and rotate my hand a bit. Also, while I'm waiting doing this, it does give the other part time to dry. Okay, so I'm going to dip the end of that in the glue. Okay, that is what we should have at the end. Now we get to glue that piece in. That's just going to go into that sort of recess there. Bit of glue just on it. And just glue that in. That little pipe at the bottom's just bent over a little bit, so just bend it back. So that's what that should look like. Whew, not finished yet, guys. Okay, the next piece we have if I don't throw it everywhere, is this piece here. Now this is going to go into these two holes just there. I'm just going to test fit this first of all. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with the fit of that. Now I just want to make sure I put this on the right way, which the way I had it was the correct way. So, a little bit of glue, just on the bit, and we can put this in place. Brilliant. Okay, the next piece we need is this piece here. This is just like a tiny, I call them valves because I think when you're opening them, you're opening a valve. So that's why I call them that. And that just wants to go into there. Like so. So that's what that's looking like. Okay. So finally, the last thing to do is we've got our door here, and this is just going to fit onto there like so. But again, we do need to glue this in place. To tell you the truth, this has gone nice and smoothly, no problems or incidents with this one, so no stopping and starting, which I love. Okay, and that is in place, and then that's all there is to do in this stage. So looking really nicely detailed. We've got this bit which is nicely detailed. I believe because of the sink that this piece will eventually go on to like there, but that is really nice, really nice. I'm impressed with that. So that is issue 27 done. Well guys, that's it for issue 27 of the U96. Thank you for watching. That was really nice and smooth. Some very small detail, I will give it that, that's gone on to that, but it does look absolutely amazing. I'm really chuffed with the way it looks, and it's really chuffed the way it's come out. Not a problem at all. Just had to make sure I wear my glasses, because if not, I can't see a thing. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.